My name is Jens Christensen. I'm from the Danish Meteorological Institute. I'm one of the responsible partners for Work Package 2. Mainly my own involvement here is that I'm working with climate as a climate modeler and provide climate information.
My name is Kasper. I am the other co-leader from Work Package 2. I work at Wageningen University in the Netherlands. I'd say that together for Work Package 2 what we aim at are scenarios for the year 2100 of what could happen. And well, Jens was explaining, and his involvement is on the climate side. My involvement is entirely on the socioeconomic side. So what socioeconomic developments you would have between now and 2100.
So while overall impressions is a lot about how the future unfolds itself, not just thinking about climate, then it's climate and climate change which is forming the future in the political sense. It is the reason why we are talking scenarios at all. The issue here is then that we in reality do not know much about what the climate is going to be in the future. We have scenarios which are partly built as an expected socioeconomic development, and a lot of that information we can feed into climate models. IPCC has been giving us a lot of information about how the future may unfold itself under different circumstances.
So as I said, I'm responsible for the socioeconomic scenarios, and we developed those in what are now 6 case studies, if I'm not mistaken. We have one case study which is global, so that's mostly global impact models. And then we have 5 case studies in which we actually actively involve stakeholders, and that's Europe, indirect impacts, which actually focuses on Central Asia, and then we have 3 somewhat more local case studies that are Scotland, the Iberian Peninsula and Hungary. So in all of those 5 case studies we develop socioeconomic scenarios, and we do that in a series of participatory workshops that usually last 2 or 3 days, in which with a small group of stakeholders, let's say 20 to 30 persons, we co-develop actually scenarios of how the future might look like. And the final products are, first of all, those scenarios for all of the different case studies. Secondly, related model results. And on the other hand, the Work Package 2 scenarios are also used to develop what people of Work Package 4 and 5 call pathways. So those are visions and then related actions and strategies to arrive to that particular vision.